Hello everybody, and today I want to show you this ultimate rare exit stopper, and it's the ultimate rare one. This one is extremely rare because they don't make them like this anymore. And how this exit stopper works is with this magnetic piece right here. So when to turn, and how this works here is that you have a key, then you want to just turn it on. We want to leave the key out so nobody can have access to disable the alarm once the magnetic piece is released, and the alarm starts sounding. And there you go. So, yeah, this is the ultimate rare exit stopper. If I can just get the key in. There we go. And this one is very rare. And it's my favorite because I love how the design, them on the two holes right there, and it sounds exactly the same as the ones you get before they upgraded to the newer version. And that's it. Bye.